Hi guys. Himo tag-report na to guys. Kaya upat ka himo report. Noon dyan to guys. October. Month of October. October 31. Sunod, November 30. Laon na guys. Kapit na mag-December. 2026 na po. October. Siya guys. So kani guys. Wala untay case karon guys. Wala na i-delete. Jud katulog rong udto guys. So busy today. Tomorrow and yesterday. Never say die. Ano lang gid guys. Lingaw-lingaw. Tapos let to busy sila arrange silang folder. So ako sa diri guys. Busy sad. Bisi-bisihan. Bisi-bisihan lang guys. Okay. No case for today's video. Okay, that's all for today guys. I need to print this para matapos na guys. Kapit na po alas stress. So wala siya guys. Thank you sa sponsor. Salamat sa sponsor sa lipstick. Okay, print out na. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.